I live in Kosciusko County. Warsaw is the home campus. And when I originally joined the Ivy Tech system in Warsaw, we were in a rented building, and our programs were doing well but needed more space. And so I was part of the advisory board that started a campaign to build the new Ivy Tech facility, and it was a big plus for the Warsaw and the Kosciusko community. So we sat down with the orthopedic companies to find out, are there a set of skills, knowledge and skills that every employee needs to know regardless of what company you're working with? And we got them to agree. And that's where the advanced manufacturing came from, was giving them classes to give them the basic skills and training. And then when they were hired by Zimmer or DePuy or Biomet, they trained them in whatever specific job, but they had the foundational skills that they needed by attending these classes at advanced manufacturing. But that was the impetus for starting that campus